Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to share some interesting news, and at the same time, we will improve our English speaking skills together. Let's begin. First news. Today in technology, artificial intelligence is growing very fast. Many companies are now using AI tools to make work easier and faster. For example, AI is helping students learn, helping developers write code, and even helping doctors detect diseases earlier. But at the same time, some people are worried. They are asking an important question: will AI take human jobs? Experts say that AI will not completely replace humans, but it will definitely change the way we work. So instead of fearing AI, we should learn how to use it. That's a very important point. Don't fear technology, learn it. Pause. Now let's move to the second news. In India, digital payments are increasing rapidly. More people are using mobile apps instead of cash. Even small shops and street vendors are accepting online payments now. This shows how technology is becoming part of our daily life. But here is something to think about. Are we becoming too dependent on technology? For example, if the internet stops for one day, many people feel lost. So it's important to balance both digital and real-life skills. Pause. Now the third news. Health experts are saying that young people today are sleeping less than before. Many people stay awake late at night using mobile phones, watching videos, or scrolling through social media. This is affecting both physical and mental health. So here is a simple advice. Try to sleep on time. Try to reduce screen time before bed. Small habits can create big changes. Pause. Now let's talk about something positive. Many students are now focusing on self-improvement. They are learning new skills like programming, communication, and problem-solving. This is a great trend because in today's world, skills are more important than just degrees. So ask yourself, what skill am I learning today? Pause. Now let's do a small speaking practice. Repeat after me. AI is changing the world. I am learning new skills every day. Technology is a tool, not a problem. I will improve my English step by step. Good. Now let's continue. Another interesting update is about remote work. Many companies are allowing employees to work from home. Some people love it because it saves time and gives flexibility, but others feel isolated and miss social interaction. So again, balance is important. Pause. Before we end, let me ask you a simple question. What did you learn today? Did you learn new words? Did you understand the news? Did you practice speaking? If yes, then you are improving. And remember this, fluency does not come in one day. It comes with daily practice. So keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Final line. Thank you for listening. See you in the next session.